4 people were shot on Tuesday afternoon on 8th Street in Greenwich Town, Kingston. One of them, an elderly woman, has died. The others were rushed to hospital. However, according to people on the ground, another of the injured person is feared dead. Men alighted from a motor vehicle in the vicinity of a soldier checkpoint in the area about 5 p.m. and opened fire at an individual. The person ran and the men gave chase. During the attack, the 4 people were shot. However, the police do not believe those shot were the intended target. The elderly woman was reportedly sitting on a bucket when she was shot on Tuesday afternoon. Watch's head of the St. Andrew South Police, Senior Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, gives details.
Men alighted from a motor vehicle, opened fire at an individual. The individual ran, they gave chase, and in the melee that followed, we understood that 4 persons were shot and injured, and at least 1 would have succumbed so far. We do believe that 1 individual was targeted, and that the persons who were shot and injured, including the deceased, might not have been the target. These criminal suspects are quite brazen, and they will take on law enforcement, and they have shown it from time to time. We do believe that were it not for the soldiers and law enforcement present in the space, it could have been much worse. The quick reaction from the JDF would have prevented the men carrying through the act of killing as many persons as they might have wanted to. We do have a gang problem in the space. We have managed to keep it at a particular level. Of course, you know that the zone is ongoing, but we have had some persons reintegrating themselves in the community, and as such, we are trying to root them out of the space. We're using this opportunity to ask the residents within the zone. You have been living quite peacefully over the last couple of years since the implementation of a zone. We want you to work with us, work with the police, work with the soldiers. Tell us what you know, because these individuals have been slowly creeping back into the space. We want to know where they are when they come back in so that we can interdict their activities.